Hygiene. Kasi yan na po na, di ba, ni Senator Tulfo, na may mga kuto pa
Bantot
daw
daw.
sila na nakita daw dun sa mga helmet. What are you doing about hygiene?
Opo,
Tawa
ma'am.
ka na rin,
Actually, ang sinasabi nga namin dyan, yan po ay amoy ng tagumpay. No? But
Aba.
kidding aside,
Oo.
but kidding aside,
Ganun bang
ma'am.
amoy ng kuto? Amoy ng tagumpay? Yuck. No, but seriously, what are you doing about
Opo.
hygiene?
Yeah, but kidding aside, ma'am, no, we take hygiene, of course, passenger comfort very seriously, no. In fact, ma'am, we've started. Sa ngayon po, we've tried a couple of ideas from yung charcoal na pang desensitize ng helmet natin to parang a wrap around na pwedeng ipasok sa helmet na pwedeng i-dispose pagkatapos.
Hairnet, oo.
Lahat po ito, ma'am, ay pinag-aralan na namin at pinag-aaralan pa namin. Hopefully, ma'am, within this year, we launch something na ito po siguro yung pinakamabisa mula sa lahat ng mga nasubukan natin. No? But rest assured po, ang assurance po namin to our customers and to you po, ma'am, is we're continuously improving the ride experience. Not just the quality of the safety, but also yung hygiene part of it.
Together, Sunday 25, Sunday 25.